Here's the Fair Plumber doing another sewer dig. We do about 3 or 4 sewer digs per week. We're the quickest, most efficient, and the best sewer company in Illinois, bar none. So here we are digging the hole, trying to find where the broken sewer pipe is. We're taking a look. It looks like we're poking around, trying to find that sewer pipe. We dig a little bit more. We have our guys, we're putting a trench box in, safety first, and there it is. There's the sewer pipe. We're going to expose the sewer pipe, break it open, and see what we have here. Oh, look at that massive root mass. It's like a leg. No way you can rot through that. No way anything can drain through there. So what we're doing is we're cutting that old pipe out. We're prepping the new pipe, getting it ready. We put in an elbow, and here we are putting the new pipe in. Now, this is a day job. We're in and out in one day, and we're using heavy-duty pipe per state code. There it is. Now we're going to install gravel per state code, and we make sure we bed the gravel underneath the sewer pipe to ensure that it's not going to sag and have a good, solid, firm bedding underground. Now we're backfilling. And then we're going to tamp it down. We're going to put some black soil on there, and then we're going to throw some grass seed on there so the grass comes back.